Hi, it's Dr. Saab. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change the battery for this Lexus key. Now I want to say a big thank you to Gareth and Ryan from Lexus Toyota Stephen Eagle for helping me make this video possible. This battery on the key is completely flat. LED light's not flashing. Okay. Got a battery replacement. What's the battery type for this?
So it's either going to be a 1632 or a 2032.
Oh,
So it usually is on the Lexuses.
perfect.
Right. So you just, that little nib there, pull your rail out, and then that slides down as well. Right, these little finicky screws.
Now I've just sped this footage up. Gareth is just showing how to unscrew the actual part that's covering the battery.
So that was a 1632. And that just slides into that.
Make sure the text is facing outwards so you see it.
This is the hard bit, getting these little screws in.
Now again, Gareth is putting the screws back in for that part that's covering the battery. Now a top tip, when you are having a major service for your car, please take both keys with you and the technician will actually replace the battery for both keys. Now my little sister forgot about her key and has not replaced her battery for a couple of years. Because the key was not used and it was just left in a drawer, the battery went dead. Luckily, she has a service care plan and she's always had her car serviced from Lexus Wolverhampton. So when I did tell Gareth that the car is serviced by Lexus Wolverhampton, he kindly offered to replace the battery free of charge and even fit it for me. What a top bloke. Another top tip, just make sure you use your spare key occasionally. Otherwise you might find that the battery may die sooner than it should. Both keys are designed to be used, so I would maybe swap once a month each key. Now the key cover just needs to be slid on, then put the key blade back in, and when you hear the click, that means it's fitted. Jobs are good, and I think if I press one of the switches, yeah, it's flashed. That's working now. Amazing. Please subscribe as it helps me and the channel grow and create even more content. Please like this video. Also comment if you have any suggestions or questions. Check out the Lexus playlist for more videos. Thanks for watching.